In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Paste Special in Google Sheets. This handy feature can really streamline your workflow, allowing you to manage your data more effectively. So let's jump right in and see how it's done. First things first, you'll need to open your Google Sheets document. Make sure you're logged into your Google account and navigate to Google Sheets. Once you're there, open up the sheet where you want to perform the Paste Special operation. If you don't have a specific sheet in mind, you can easily create a new one by clicking on the blank option, which starts a fresh new spreadsheet. Once your sheet is open, you'll want to identify the range of cells you're interested in working with. Let's say you want to work with the range from A1 to E11. Use your mouse to click and drag from cell A1 to cell E11, which will highlight all these cells in that specific range. You should see a selection box appear around these cells, indicating that they're ready for your next move. Now, with those cells highlighted, place your cursor anywhere within the highlighted area and right-click your mouse. This action will bring up a context menu of options. Among these options, you'll find Copy. Go ahead and give that a click. Alternatively, you can use the keyboard shortcut, Ctrl+C for Windows or Command+C on a Mac, to copy the contents of your selected cells. With your data now copied, you're ready to move it to another location. Click on cell H1, which will be your new destination for this data. Once you've clicked on H1, go ahead and right-click the mouse again. Upon doing so, you'll see another menu appear with different options. From this menu, look for the option that says Paste Special. This is a crucial step because it allows you to paste your copied content in a more customized way. Once you click on Paste Special, a submenu will appear with various pasting options. The one we're interested in today is Values Only. Clicking on Values Only will paste just the text or numbers from the original cells, ignoring any formulas or formatting that were part of those cells. This can be particularly useful if you're trying to cleanly transfer raw data without any of the extra formatting that might have been applied initially. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've efficiently used the Paste Special feature to move your data in Google Sheets, focusing solely on the numerical or textual content while leaving behind any unwanted formatting or formulas. This technique is not only time-saving, but also a great way to ensure your data remains intact and organized. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tips on using Google Sheets.